Good morning, children. I am Sharda from Little Heart Publications and I am here to teach maths. And today's topic is numeration and notation, that is, revision of two-digit numbers. You have already learnt how to read and write two-digit numbers. Let us know what is a digit. Any of the numbers that form any of the numbers from 0 to 9 or the digits that are used to form a number. 0 to 9 are used to form a number. Number is a particular quantity or amount. Number is particular quantity or amount. How many students are there in your class? 25. 25 is a number. How much money you have saved in your kiddie bank? 95. That is a number. And 95 is formed out of the digits 9 and 5. So 9 and 5 are the digits that form a number 95. Today we are going to revise two-digit numbers. Now count the number of stars I have drawn here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are writing the number 14 and number name is, the spelling of the number is number name. We have to write it in words 14. In this way, you can count the number of objects in your house, or in a pack of crayons, number of crayons in a pack. You can count and write its number and number name. So you start counting the number of objects in your house. You may get the counting. Now practice writing numbers from 1 to 100. Already which you have learnt in class 1. Now we shall write the number names of some numbers. Write the number names. What is this number? 43. This is 52. This is 60. So, in this way, you can write the number names from 1 to 100. And there are some exercises in the textbook which needs to be filled by you. Just like match the following of the number name to the number and number to the number name. You complete these exercises from 8-9 pages from your textbook. Now, let us write the missing numbers in a series. Missing numbers. "46, 47, 48, 49. When there is 9 in the ones place, the next digit changes and it becomes 50, 51, 52, 53. Complete the next series. First two are blanks and there is 70 here. The before number of 70 is 69, 68, 70, 71, 72, 73. In this way, you can complete the missing numbers if you are thorough in 1 to 100 numbers. Next, '62. In this, how many ones are there? How many tens are there? 2 is in the ones place and 6 is in the tens place. We have 6 tens and 2 ones. This is the expanded form of 62. So you can expand all the numbers from 10 to 99 in this way. So write the expanded form of these numbers. 37. So how many ones are there? 7. Write the places here. 7 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place. 3 tens plus 7 ones. For the next number 80. 8 is in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. In this way, you can practice expanded form for all the numbers. And when expanded form is given, you should be able to write the number. Write in figures. Or write the number. 5 tens plus 3 ones. So, ones, tens. How many ones are here? 3. 3 in the ones place and 5 in the tens place. You can't write from this side 35. That is wrong. You have to always start writing from the tens place in the 2-digit number. Six tens. Write the numeral for it. Ones, tens. There are no ones here. So put a 0 and 6 tens. You already know that 6 tens are 60. 0 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place. In this way, you can write from expanded form to a number or a numeral. And let us go with before number, after number and between number. Before number of 19. The number that comes before 19 is 18. And the number that comes before 40, 39. When there is 0 in the ones place, you have to write the before number of this and write 9 in the place of 0. 40, the before number is 39. 51, 50, 67, 66. Just one step backward of 67 is 66. After number, The next number to the 63 is 64. Just add 1 to the ones place digit. 79. It becomes 80. Adding 1 to the ones place, it becomes 80. 20, 21. 20 plus 1. Between number is also just like after number. The number that comes between 14 and 16. And the number after 14 is 15. 27, 29. 28 is the between number. 90, 92. After 90, 91. 49, 51. 49 after 50. In this way you can complete, and there are many exercises in page number 9 and 10. You can complete all these exercises regarding this. More than and less than. Four more than 15. See children, your brother had four chocolates more than you. You have 15 chocolates and your brother had 4 more than 15. How will you count that? Just you have to count forward. You have to go for forward counting. 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19. 15, 4 steps forward. 16, 4 more than 15 is 4 steps after 15. 19. 4 steps after 15. That is 19. More than means you have to count forward. 6 more than 21. So 6 steps after 21, that is 27. Forward counting. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So when you have to add, you have to count forward. More than means forward counting. Less than means backward counting. 2 less than 35. 2 steps backward to 35. 34, 33. So 2 less than 35 is 33. So less than means backward counting. 5 less than 42. 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. The answer is 37. 5 less than 42 is 37. You have to count backward 5 steps. You have to count 5 steps backward from 42. Children, have you understood? More than means you have to count forward and less than means you have to count backward. Now, 3 less than 47 and 3 more than 47. So how will you do that? 3 less than 47. 3 steps backward 47. 46, 45, 44. The answer is 44. 3 more than 47. Count forward 3 steps. 48, 49, 50. The answer is 50. So in this way, you should be able to count forward and backward, and the exercise is given in the page number 10. You can complete the exercise in this way. Now comparison of numbers. Children, you always compare with your friends or your siblings about number of chocolates or biscuits you have. Who has more chocolates or who has less chocolates. Comparison is done using the symbol. There are 3 symbols for comparison. Greater than, less than, equals to. Let us see how 2-digit numbers are compared now. First, compare the tens place digit. If both are equal, then come and check with the ones place digit. Here 15 and 11. Which is bigger in the ones place? 1 is bigger or 5 is bigger? You all know that 5 is bigger. So 15 greater than 11. When the mouth is open towards your left side, that is greater than. When it is open towards the right side, it is less than. Compare these numbers 24 and 31. Compare the tens place digit now. 2 and 3. You already know that 3 is greater than 2. So 24 is less than 31. Remember that the crocodile's mouth is always open towards the greater number. The mouth is always open towards the greater number. When the mouth is open towards your right hand side, that is less than, and when it is open towards the left hand side, that is greater than. (92, 88). Compare the tens place digit first. 9, 8. 9 is greater than 8, so 92 is greater than 88. 41, 41. Here both the digits are same in the ones and tens place, then you have to go with equals to. 57, 52. Both the tens place digits are same here, so go with the ones place. 7 greater than 2. So 57 is greater than 52. In this way you can compare the numbers. The main thing is you have to check with the tens place digit first. If they are same, go with the ones place digit. The exercise is given in page number 11. You can put the symbols, fill in the blanks with the less than, greater than or equal to in the page number 11. Now, ordering of numbers. Ascending order, descending order. Ascending order is arrangement of numbers from smaller to bigger. And descending order is bigger to smaller. So if you know which number is big, which number is small, you can easily put a set of numbers in ascending order or descending order. Let us see the set of numbers now. So here are four numbers: 42, 35, 18 and 21. Let us arrange them in ascending order first. For this also you have to check the tens place digit first. 4, 3, 7, 2. Which is the smallest in the tens place? 2. So write this number first. In the remaining 3, 4, 3, 7. 3 is smaller, write 35. Coming to these two, 4 and 7, 4 is smaller, 42. 78 is the biggest number. This is the ascending order of the set of numbers here. For the same thing, we can write descending order, big to small. So among these 77 is in the tens place, 78 is the biggest number, and the next one is 42. And next is 35, and the smallest number is 21 in this set. So here all the tens place digits are different, so you have to check the tens place digit in the set of numbers. This is another set of numbers. In this, two digits have 5 in their tens place. Then let us see how to arrange them. First check the tens place digits. 2 is the smallest, so write 26. And coming to the next, 56 and 50, we have two fives in the tens place digits. If the tens place digits are same, go with the ones place digits. 0 and 6. Which is smaller? 0. So 50 comes next, and then among 56 and 63, 5 is smaller, 56, and 63 is the biggest number in this set. So if the tens place digits are same, you have to check with the ones place digit. This is the most important thing to be remembered while writing ascending order or descending order. Now write the set of numbers in descending order. In this, two numbers have 7 in the tens place. So check with the ones place digit. 4 and 9. Which comes first? 4. 4 is smaller than 9. So write 74. Among those, 81, 79, 84. So 7 is smaller. Write 79. And in the same way, 81, 84. Both the numbers have 8 in the tens place. So check with the ones place digit 1 and 4. So 81, 1 is in the 1 is smaller than 4. So 81 comes first, and then 84. Now this also can be arranged in descending order. The biggest number is 84 here. 84 next comes 81, 79 and 74. The exercise is given in page number 11. Complete the exercise and follow the worksheet given at the back of the Follow the worksheet given at the back of the Unit 1, complete it, and a worksheet will be sent to you through WhatsApp on this chapter. Thank you.